Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing tonight? It is night. Well, it is still afternoon for me yet when I'm filming this. So, okay. So, I'm just a simple chat to tell you what's going on and what I have purchased also. So, I thought I'd update my Argumi. I can't even say the word Argumi. You know what I'm talking about. I got me safety eyes. And it came with, I'll leave the Amazon link because I bought this off Amazon. So I got safety eyes. It comes with this thing, which I guess pokes holes so you can put the eyes through. And the washers are not in the container. The washers are in their own separate bag. So I literally had to look it up to watch a video on how to put the safety eyes on. The first thing I'm going to put safety eyes on, I don't know if you can tell, it's going to be a snowman. I don't know if it would have been easier to go top down instead of working bottom up. And then I'm at the point where I'm about ready to put the eyes in. So I think that's what this thing's for. I think I push to make a hole. And to push that in. I forgot where I actually put the hole already. Oh, there's one eye. I'm not sure if I want it that low. I'm gonna have to put it up a little higher. Okay. And these were the smallest ones that were in. That came in the box. I thought it'd be easier, but it would look nicer to buy some actual eyes. Because every time I seem to, I want to try to sew on features, it looks kind of, I don't know. I'm not used to sewing on eyes. I'll have to still sew them off on, but oh, that's kind of cute. So I pretty much had to look at the video to figure out which way this washer goes on. And hopefully I picked the right washer. Being that I've got the smallest eye, I picked the smallest washer. I had to know which end goes to the fabric, which I guess, I don't know if you can't probably see on here. There's a beveled end and the flat end. So the flat end goes in, right? Here we are, trying to push it in. Oh, that went in too easy, so hopefully, well, it looks like it's secure. The video I watched, it supposedly had clicked. And I might have gone in too far, so I'm gonna see if I can find another small one. Oh, see, that one clicked in. Well, there I have it. I don't know if you can see the washers. Okay, yeah, I know I can see. I might have sunken eyes after I stuff it, but we'll see how it looks. You'll have to stay tuned. I'll probably show them up on my next work in progress video. See how my snowman turns out. Yeah, that's now my first time ever caught on video. First time ever using safety eyes. Okay, well, next I guess I'll show you what I'm working on. This is supposedly the next video. Today's Friday. I forgot what day. We're on the 14th. I had to check my watch to see what day it is. Tomorrow morning, usually Saturday mornings is when I record my tutorial videos. And the next one, then my next tutorial will be these mittens. Made with a bulky size weight 5 yarn. So I make it, I'll get the first one. This is my first one I get done. I either want to get it done or get it done to a certain point. So it's been a while since I had made these mittens up, so I usually had to make it up, check out make sure my pattern's still solid when I write. Sometimes I don't test, well, my patterns are free and I don't have other people test them. So yeah, but my next actual tutorial will be my crochet mittens. Okay, and after my son, like I said, I dropped my son off to work because he doesn't drive. There was a garage sale. I saw a sign for a garage sale near his work, and I thought I would check out the garage sale. I always hope to find yarn at garage sales, and it seemed like I never do, but I did find this bag. Nice bag. It's like leather. It is from Kate Spade out of New York. Let me know if that's I believe that's probably is a high quality item, but for the most part it is in good shape. It does have, it looks like it's been well used, because there is some, looks like there's some, you probably can't see on the camera, there are some, there's a stain, but I'm assuming that this got well used in it, and it does want to do that naturally. So anyway, this was marked for $5 at the garage sale. I only had 3 ones on me, so she let me have this bag for $3. And again, it's Kate Spade out of New York. So let me know in the comments if I got a really good deal on this bag. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use this bag for. It's cute. I might put stuff in it, or you know, it's big enough. It might be good, another good overnight travel bag when I visit any of my kids overnight. If I just need to bring a few things, I could put it in this, or I could put my projects in this bag. So, very nice. So I'm trying to think of other things that, you know, I guess I'm not much of a chatter here. So that's all I have. It's a short video, so that's about all I have for now. I want to again thank people who come by and watch my videos. All right, enough babbling for me. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more content like this, or let me know what you think of these chats. It's usually whatever comes up. So, oh, I forgot to mention, hopefully, I'm hoping soon that I have a mystery yarn box video, because I had bought some mystery yarn off Etsy, so a mystery yarn box off Etsy. But I'm not sure if it's IV fibers or 4 fibers, because it looks like a Roman numeral 4, like IV fibers. I never bought from them yet, so I don't know what to expect. So, but I'm hoping soon to have this box come in the mail pretty soon, so I can do a video, this mystery box video for you. So, okay, seriously, that's all I have. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more yarn content and tutorials for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now. Okay, so I guess it's not over. I had to show how the snowman turned out. And the first time using safety ice. Obviously, he's not done yet. I want to put a hat and scarf on him and some little arms. And obviously, though, I don't know if I'll tell you, that is the yarn I used on the snowman. So, again, make sure you stay tuned. He will show up. I'll probably have him finished for sure in time for my next work in progress video. Okay, so thanks if you're actually still here, because this will be the end of my video. Okay, bye.